Ever wondered why your YouTube experience isn't as personalized or efficient as you'd like it to be? Well, you're not alone. Many of us are unaware of the 9 crucial YouTube settings that can dramatically enhance our viewing and user interaction. Whether you're a casual viewer, a content creator, or somewhere in between, these settings hold the key to a more streamlined and enjoyable YouTube journey. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we begin to unravel the mysteries of YouTube settings. First on the list is the playback and performance setting. This setting is your secret weapon for optimal viewing on YouTube. To navigate to this, you'll want to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Settings, and then Playback and Performance. This setting is crucial as it controls the quality of the videos you watch. YouTube often selects a default quality based on your internet speed, but with this setting, you can override it. If you prefer to watch videos in full, high definition, or if your internet speed is a bit slow and you'd rather opt for standard definition to avoid buffering, this is where you can make that happen. But that's not all. This setting also allows you to enable or disable annotations and captions that appear on videos. So, by tweaking this setting, you can enjoy videos in the best quality suited for your device and internet speed. Next, let's delve into the privacy settings. This section is crucial as it controls what data YouTube collects and how it's used. 2 key options here are Pause Watch History and Pause Search History. Pause Watch History prevents YouTube from keeping track of the videos you watch. This means the platform won't use your viewing history to suggest content, which can be useful if you want to keep your video preferences private. On the other hand, Pause Search History stops YouTube from remembering what you search for. This can be beneficial if you're using a shared device, or if you simply prefer not to have your search queries influence what YouTube recommends. Both these options can be turned on or off according to your preference and comfort level. By using these settings, you can take control of your digital footprint on YouTube. Remember, your privacy is important, and these settings can help protect it. Ever been overwhelmed by too many YouTube notifications? The notification settings can help. Let's dive in. To get started, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. From there, select Notifications. This is where you can control what alerts you receive and how often. You'll see options to turn on or off notifications for recommended videos, activity on your comments, replies to your comments, and more. If you're drowning in alerts, consider turning off activity on my comments or recommended videos. This can significantly reduce the number of notifications you get. But what if there are certain channels or types of content you always want to be notified about? Well, you can prioritize these too. Just visit the channel page, click on the bell icon next to the subscribed button and choose All. This way, you'll never miss an update. With the right adjustments, you can keep your notifications tidy and relevant. For content creators, the channel settings are a must-know. This is where you can truly personalize your channel and make it work for you. Let's delve into it. First off, we have Upload Defaults. This feature allows you to set default settings for your videos, such as your video's privacy, category, language, and even the license. This is a real time saver if you stick to a consistent format. Next up is branding. Here you can add your channel logo and choose a watermark that appears on all your videos. This is a nifty way to boost your brand's recognition. Lastly, we have advanced settings. This is where you can set your channel's country, add keywords to make your channel more searchable, and even link your Google Ads account. Each of these settings plays a vital role in enhancing your channel's branding and efficiency. With these settings, you can make your channel more professional and easier to manage. Worried about inappropriate content? The restricted mode setting is your savior. This gem of a setting is a filter designed to limit the availability of mature or potentially inappropriate content. It's not 100% foolproof, but it's a great step towards creating a safer, family-friendly viewing environment. So how do you activate restricted mode? It's simple. Head over to your account icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and you'll find Restricted Mode. Click on it and voila, you've activated the setting. Remember, this setting only applies to the device you're currently using. If you want to set it up on other devices, you'll have to repeat the process. A word of caution though, restricted mode might also filter out some content that you might find useful or entertaining, but it's a small price to pay for a much safer YouTube experience. By using restricted mode, you can ensure a safer environment for yourself or your younger viewers. Next, we have the subtitles and closed captions setting. This handy feature is a must for enhancing your YouTube experience. To enable it, simply go to your account settings, find the playback and performance section, and there you'll see the subtitles and closed captions option. Just click to turn it on. Now, why would you want to do this? The answer is twofold. Firstly, it's about accessibility. By turning on subtitles and closed captions, you're helping people who may have hearing impairments to enjoy the content. It's a small step towards inclusivity that makes a big difference. Secondly, this feature is your key to understanding content in languages other than your own. Watching a fascinating documentary in French or a riveting K-drama but don't understand the language? No problem. With subtitles and closed captions on, you can follow along in your chosen language. So, subtitles and closed captions can help break down language barriers and improve accessibility. Now, let's dive into the advanced settings. This is where the magic happens. It's where you can truly customize your YouTube experience to suit your specific needs and preferences. Let's start with Backup and Restore. This feature allows you to save your preferences and settings. If you switch devices or browsers, or if your cookies get cleared, you can restore your settings with just a click. This way, you'll never lose your personalized YouTube experience. Next up is High Contrast Mode. Ever watched a video in a brightly lit room and struggled to see the details? High Contrast Mode is your answer. It adjusts the color and contrast of the YouTube interface to make it more visible in different lighting conditions. This can be especially helpful for those with visual impairments or anyone who prefers a more vibrant display. But that's not all. Advanced settings also include options for adjusting playback speed, enabling keyboard shortcuts, and even scheduling quiet hours to prevent interruptions during your prime video watching time. Remember, these settings aren't just for tech wizards or YouTube gurus, they're for everyone. It's all about making YouTube work for you in ways that enhance your user experience. Sure, they might require a bit of tinkering and familiarization, but the payoff is worth it. These advanced settings might seem complicated, but they can significantly improve your YouTube user experience. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment. After all, YouTube is all about discovery, right? So we've explored 9 important YouTube settings that can enhance your YouTube experience. We began with playback and performance, a setting that allows for smooth video streaming and high-quality content. Then, we delved into privacy, ensuring your personal information and viewing history remain secure. We moved on to notifications, a feature that keeps you updated on your favorite channels and trending content. Channel settings was next, highlighting the importance of personalizing your channel for an optimal user experience. We also discussed restricted mode, a feature that filters out potentially inappropriate content, and subtitles and closed captions, which make videos accessible to a wider audience. Our journey concluded with advanced settings, a hub for tweaking your YouTube experience to perfection. Each setting plays a unique role in making YouTube a more enjoyable and user-friendly platform. Remember, YouTube is a versatile platform, and with the right settings, you can tailor it to your needs and preferences. Happy viewing!